Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Think your staircase already looks good? Let's take it one step further. In this video, we'll customize the stair stringers with complex profiles so your stairs don't just function, they look much more realistic and more construction ready. Welcome back to our How to Model a House in ArchiCAD series. In the previous video, we created our staircase using the stair tool and explored the different settings that control its size, shape, and appearance. Now, it's time to add even more detail by creating a custom stringer profile, applying a realistic material, and giving the staircase a much more professional finish. Once you're ready, let's jump in. To customize the appearance of our stair stringers, we'll first create a complex profile. Open the Profile Manager, which is located under the Attributes toolbar. And if you don't see it, don't worry. Simply go to Window, then Toolbar, and enable Attributes. By default, this opens a floating toolbar, but you can drag and dock it anywhere that's convenient for your workspace. Once open, click the Profile Manager icon, then inside, switch to the Custom tab. Navigate to the Structural folder, where ArchiCAD already includes several predefined profiles that we can use as a starting point. For this example, select the C-channel profile, then click the plus button and give the new profile a name. ArchiCAD will now open the Complex Profile Editor, where we can begin modifying the profile. But before you edit, let's first check the dimensions of our existing stair stringer. Return to the 3D view, then select the staircase and verify the current stringer dimensions. Here, we can see that the stringer measurements are at 0.20 meters by 0.10. Now that that's confirmed, go back and you have two options. You can either modify the existing C-channel profile or delete it entirely and create your own profile from scratch. Using the Line tool, draw a profile measuring 0.20 by 0.10 meters. This gives us a profile that matches the dimensions of our staircase. Now let's try converting a profile into a solid. At this point, we've only drawn lines, and lines don't really create a 3D object. To turn this into a usable profile, we'll need to add a fill. Select the Fill tool, choose the appropriate fill type, and choose the appropriate fill type. The fill also determines how the profile appears when viewed in sections, so keep that in mind. Now, hold down the spacebar to activate the Magic Wand tool. Click inside the enclosed shape, and ArchiCAD automatically generates the fill using the boundary we created. Once everything looks correct, click Save, and our complex profile is now ready to use. Now, let's apply this new profile to our staircase. First, make sure the Beam tool is highlighted. That's because stair stringers are treated as beam elements inside ArchiCAD. Next, select the staircase. Open the stair settings, then navigate to Flight, then Stringers. Click the drop-down menu and change the stringer type to Profiled Flight Stringer. This tells ArchiCAD that we want to use a complex profile instead of the default stringer. However, we're really not finished yet at this point. Right. Quick pause for our architects and firm owners out there. If your deadlines are piling up and you need support with construction documents, we get it. At MGS Global Group, we're architects helping out other architects. And we've been doing this for 18 years, and our team plugs right into your workflow with on-demand project architects specializing in BIM. And we can start in as little as 24 hours. Check us out at mgsglobalgroup.com. Alright, back to the video. So we still need to assign the actual profile. Open the stringer component settings, then locate the profile selection menu and choose the custom profile we just created. If the profile doesn't look quite right, don't try adjusting it inside the stair settings. Complex profiles are edited only inside the Complex Profile Editor, so if you notice the stair threads extending below the stringers slightly, simply return to the Profile Editor and fix that. Then, once it looks good, save it. When you return to the 3D view, ArchiCAD updates the staircase automatically. Another important reminder, if you're modeling real construction, remember that steel C-channels come in standard manufactured size. Always verify the available dimensions from your supplier before finalizing your design. Now that that's done, let's give the staircase a more polished appearance. Open the stair settings once again, and each stair component has its own material settings. For example, if you want to change the stringer material, open the stringer component settings and click the small triangle to expand the options until the 3D representation appears. From there, choose your preferred building material or surface. You can do exactly the same for the treads as well. Open the tread component settings, expand the options, then assign the material you'd like to use. Once you're satisfied, click OK. Your staircase should now have both a customized structure profile and realistic finish. And that's it. We've successfully created a custom stair stringer using a complex profile and finished our staircase with materials that make it look much more realistic. These small details can make a huge difference to both presentation and construction accuracy of your model. So in the next episode, we'll continue building our house by adding one of the most important structural elements: roofs and ceilings. We'll learn how to create roofs, define their slope, and add ceilings to complete the overall structure of the house. If you don't want to miss that, check out our playlist here on how to model a house in ArchiCAD, or our ArchiCAD playlist over here if you want to see more videos about ArchiCAD. If you like this video, give it a like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification icon so you don't miss out every time we post a new video. We now post twice a week, so that's twice as much videos for you to watch. Once again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on episode 4.